Hi, I'm Mark from Lyres, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Lyre's G&T. G&Ts actually date back to the 19th century when British soldiers in India were given rations of quinine, citrus, water, as well as gin for its medicinal properties. And what they did is they actually mixed these ingredients all together to make the quinine a little bit more bearable on the palate, and hence the G&T was born. Today we're going to make a non-alcoholic G&T using Lyre's, and the base of it is going to be the Lyre's Dry London Spirit. If you're a fan of G&Ts and dry London style gin, you're going to absolutely love the Dry London Spirit. It's got those classic botanicals you'd expect from a gin, like juniper, pepperberry, orange blossom. And I'm going to add 60 mils straight into a highball glass. Now it's time to add the tea to a G&T, and I'm going to use a premium Indian tonic. We're going to go in with 120 mils or 4 parts. We're going to add a handful of ice, fill it all the way to the top. And the reason why we're adding our ice at the end is because we want to be mindful of dilution. So if we were to build this all on top of ice, by the time we drink it, the ice has already started to melt. So fill that up all the way to the top. And to garnish, what's a cocktail without a garnish? I'm going to use a lovely wedge of ruby grapefruit. For those classic aromatics, I'm going to add a sprig of rosemary just on the side. I'll give it a quick stir just to marry all the flavors together. And there you have it, the Lyre's G&T. It's super refreshing. You get a lovely dryness from the quinine in the tonic water. On the palate, it has a fantastic finish. I can still taste it, and I'm tasting all those lovely botanicals that you'd expect. I've got juniper, pepperberry, orange blossom. It's a perfect drink to enjoy on a summer's day, the Lyre's G&T. To shop the full range and to view more recipes online, head to lyres.co.